Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to uh, use GUI mode in an ec2 instance. So for the demonstration I just create a Ubuntu instance in my AWS account, and now let's just log in first. Okay, sorry. So I'm logging from a terminal, or maybe you are using a putty or a terminal, whatever. Okay, so I'm logging. As you can see, this is the Ubuntu instance, Ubuntu 18.4. And now what I have to do, the first step is create a user, or create a password for Ubuntu user. As you can see, this username is Ubuntu, right? This is username is Ubuntu. So user is already there. You just need to add a password. Less minus slash home, only Ubuntu user here. Just set the password. Okay, sudo sswd and hit the enter and set the password. So I already set the I already created a password, so I don't need to create again. Okay, this is the first step. And then another thing is you need to enable the password authentication from SSH config setting. Just go to SSH config setting, first sudo su as a root, now win etc ssh and ssh d config. See, password authentication is yes, so need to enable this one. Okay, because we are not going to use the PEM file to log in on the server. We just need a password authentication based instance. So that's why first you need to add password to your instance, and then install some packages. So what packages? I just noted down here. This one, sudo app install desktop. You can find out all this command in the video description. So just install everything like sudo app install xrdp and check the status of xrdp package. And also you can just type enable, or manually you can start like this way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here, this status, as you can see, it's active and running. And do one thing, just enable. Okay, it's enabled now. And then also you need to add another user, is a xrdp user. Okay, so run the whole command, the command line 4, this one, and then restart the xrdp once again. Okay, sorry, need to write sudo. After that you need to enable port 3389, because you know xrdp default port is 3389, so you need to enable from the instance. Okay, and check it is open or not. So for checking you need to this paste here, 3389 is here. See, it's showing TCP6, but still we are not going to use TCP6, we'll use TCP4. And another thing is it's not used for external use. Okay, as you like, if you see the SSH, this is TCP4, and 000 mean you can connect from anywhere, like literally anywhere. That's why you can log into the instance, right? So that's why it's 4 times 0. But here you cannot see 4 times 0 because it's open locally. Okay, so if you try to open 3389 globally, then you need to change the firewall setting in AWS console and add the rule. So this is one way. But if you want to just open the 3389 globally, it is not secure thing. So anybody can do anything because you are not going to use .pm file. You are adding some password, and also you are opening port xrdp, which is not secure. And then the next command is you need to reboot your instance. You can reboot from a terminal, or you can reboot from the AWS console, whatever. And then run this command xrcp. Okay, just run all this command. Okay, that's it. Run on the command. Just check this 11 number command here. First let me copy this command and then paste here. It's changing xrdp.ini. so what is xrdp.ini? This is xrdp configuration file. So you can if you want to change something in your GUI, remote GUI, then you can change the configuration here. Let me show you. See, this is the port 3389 and like TCP keep alive is true, security layers. And also you can see like color setting, blue, gray color, all types of GUI setting is available here. Now also network part and little bit here. So the thing is this is xrdp configuration file. So exit from here. Okay, fine. And now move to the next command. After all this, restart the xrdp once again. Okay, and then run this command from your laptop. Just open a new tab, so new terminal window, and this is a listening port 8183. So here you can type any port. It is not mandatory that you have to type 8183. It could be 8080, 9000, whatever. Just give any port and localhost and 3389 and your instant username ubuntu and instant IP. Okay, hit the enter, and as you can see it asks for password. So my password is 21. Oops, oh yeah, I forgot the password. Oh shit. Okay, so that's it. So you will logged in. Now where's the GUI, right? Let me show you one more thing. If we are using Mac or something, then you need to install a remote app. The remote desktop app. This is the Microsoft remote desktop app. So just click on at PC, under the PCs tab, we have two kind of tab column, like workspace and PCs. So go to the PCs and add PC, and here just type localhost. Wait a minute, what's happening here? Localhost. So because here we are just using SSH tunneling. This is called SSH tunneling. So what is SSH tunneling? If you want to know about it, just comment down below. I will create a video for it about SSH tunneling. And just type here localhost and colon 8183 and add. Okay, double click. Sorry, a spelling mistake. I think edit localhost. Okay, save and again enter. Okay, now it will ask for username. The username is ubuntu and password. Password is so this is the password. Okay, now it asks for a security certificate, but I'm not sure this is secure or not. It's connecting. Oh, it's here. So that's it. You can do pretty much anything here. Opening folder, downloads, music, whatever. So that's it for today. I hope this video will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.